Right guys, welcome back to another DJ Wilkes golf video. And today we've got something a little bit different, and I mean you can probably tell by the smile on my face that I'm really happy about this. But we're actually doing an unboxing of a brand new product that I'm going to be bringing to my golf videos. And it is the DJi Mini 4 Pro. So we're bringing the DJi Mini 4 Pro into our videos to bring that flyover. We're going to be trying loads of different things with the drone to get the best footage for you guys to see what I'm doing when I'm out on the course. So as you can see, I haven't even took the film off it. So I've got my trusty knife. And this is a bit aesthetic. Ooh. So, opening it up for the first time, I'm just going to show you everything that we've got in it. We're going to turn it on, get everything started up on it basically. So I've actually bought the Mini 4 Pro. It is the Fly More combo. So what we're getting in this pack is, first of all, oh my god, look at that. That, just starting off, it's not even in the box. Everything in the box is empty. Right, so we've got, first of all we've got the controller. So we've got the RC2, I believe it is. This is with the screen. Look at that, that is mint. So I decided to go for the one with the screen, purely the fact of I don't want to have to go to the troubles of using my phone, to be honest. I just thought I'm better off spending that little bit of extra money to get the screen involved. So I've got basically an all-in product then. I haven't got to worry about anything. So let's get these little thumb knobs on there. They just screw on. Ah, this is mint, this is. Look at that. Not going to turn it on yet. We'll put that to the side. What else have we got in here? So, here we go. The big boy itself. I say the big boy, it is quite small. We've got the drone. So we've got clips. So that's to hold the propellers. So I'll open up these two. And then these two come down. Just be careful with the propellers when you do this. Look at that. That is sick. So then we've got the cover as well, which is done from underneath. And we've got a bit more protective cover in there. And obviously, so this camera, it does true vertical filming, and it also does obviously standard filming. I believe it does 4K up to 60 frames per second, which is more than what we're planning to do with it anyway. We're going at 30 usually. So that is the drone. We'll turn that on in a minute, see what else we've got in the bag. So it being the Fly More combo, we also get, which I also love, is we get this lovely charging case and 2 extra batteries, which I like because I just think everything that DJi makes is quite slick. I mean, obviously I'm using the DJi mics now, and the DJi mics come in a box, all in one, which is exactly what I like. I like it all coming together because then it just becomes so much easier then. So obviously we've got the battery in here as well. What else have we got in the bag? And this bag is just sick as well, look at that. So we've got another pocket here. So we've got in here then in here more fun stuff. So we've got 1, 2, 3 packs of propellers. We've got charging cables. We've got 2 USB-C cables. So all of this is coming USB-C, the whole lot. And then we've got a little screwdriver. I'm guessing that's to change any propellers. So now the unboxing's done. Time for the fun part. So it looks like we've got a little bit of charge on this now. So we're gonna, there we go. That's sick, look at that. So we're going to do the same with the drone. So what you do is you click it and then you hold it down. And that is on. So what I'm going to do as well, while we're here, part of the unboxing, we're going to go through some of the settings as well. So this is all touchscreen, which again is amazing. Country, United Kingdom. Right, so I've just kind of skipped through the start bits of logging in. So now we get to welcome, so we click start. So updating the firmware, we'll be back in a minute. So that is basically everything. So we've opened it up, we've logged it on. This is the screen you get when you're ready to fly. And we're just updating the aircraft. Once that is done, I'm going to charge up the batteries and obviously give it a little test run. And we're going to try and do a little bit of filming. It is getting dark now, so we're going to struggle for light and to be able to see certain things. But we're going to give it a fly anyway, and I'll show you some of the footage of what we get. But you'll see more of the drone once we get out on the golf course and we start filming with the drone, as well as what we normally do anyway. So I'll let you know when we're going to be filming some stuff on the course, but I believe we're going to try and get out tomorrow, which hopefully then we can get some filming done. But we're going to try and shove a few little bits of footage on now for you to see what we actually get up to with the drone. I'm really excited. I'm heading down to Cornwall as well in a few weeks, so I'm going to get a really good test run out of the drone itself then. But as usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. See you later.